Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to conquer the Unconquerable. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel, Heroclix, Strange Tales, Orrgo, O-R-R-G-O, the Unconquerable. It's so hard to pronounce. Conquerable. Unconquerable. Anyway, so I got this from my purchase of a case of Marvel Heroclix Strange Tales. Okay, so I purchased this as well and shipped them together. And I'm not a huge collector of strange things, only X-Men, but this one I was interested to I'm interested to get because he is Orrgo. Okay. Oh, it's a there's no the Unconquerable in the name, only Orrgo. So he is a big red rock. Okay. Um, I wanted to get him because of the bystanders he generates. Okay, let me get him out of the plastic. So, oh, he's really heavy. Okay, they just like rock surface with a face, hands, and legs. No other body parts. Okay, so that alone, the weight alone, is really worth it. Okay, he's very menacing. Grr. But let's take a look at his card if he is indeed menacing. Okay. So Orrgo is set number 102, a limited edition from the Strange Tales set. He has Cosmic and Team Player team ability. Keywords are Aim, Howling Commando, Shield, Cosmic, and Monster. Special movement power is Animating Foliage. Sidestep power. Remove up to 3 non-debris terrain markers within range from the game. For each terrain marker removed this way, generate a Walking Woods bystander max 4 in a square that marker last occupied. Okay, so the Walking Wood, you can see here at the bottom. Okay, let me see if I can zoom it in. No, I cannot zoom it. It's blurry. Okay, but the Walking Wood has this is the old Walking Wood. How do you stop a tree? It's a special movement power. Flurry, plasticity, sidestep. Okay. With 10 attack, 3 damage, shape, change. Okay. And that's the trick that got me to buy this particular figure because I love the figure before that generates those Walking Wood. And that figure was Groot. So putting them side by side, we have a rock, then we have a tree. Okay. So anyway, let's continue looking at Orrgo. So Orrgo, let's go to the special targeting blocking without destroying it. Interesting. Uh-huh. Special defense power, the Unconquerable. Stop, but only if the attacker can't use willpower or battle fury and then impervious. Okay, so that would have been good if there's no condition, okay, because willpower is always going to be present in a team as well as battle fury. Okay, but so it's a bit of a bummer, I guess. Okay, so meaning I don't know the character, but it seems like with that trait, he would jump scare heroes, and then when they have willpower or battle fury, he will just become a stoic rock. Okay. Anyway, and he also has a special damage power, hypnotizing lesser minds. At the beginning of your turn, choose an opposing character of a point value less than or equal to half of Orrgo's point value. Okay? If you do, Orrgo may immediately use mind control as free but only to target that character regardless of range, line of fire, or adjacency. Okay, that's interesting. Real name is Orrgo, Strange Tales number 90 is a significant appearance. Uh, huh, 300, 100, or 60 point line. 300 is really not so good because even though he has 4 stab, the 4 stabs are conditional. 100 as well, a bit. I'm second guessing the 100 points. I'd probably use him at 60 points. Okay. He does have that special movement power on starting at 60 points, so that's good. That's the only point line he has, that starting special power, so that might be the best line for him. Unfortunately, the stop again is not so good for this particular Orrgo. But again, 60 points, Cosmic, and then copy the team player, maybe copy Stealth, okay, or copy Spider-Man or Wonder Woman to give him another rollout, okay? So it might be worth it, okay, even just to body block people because he is a giant figure as well, okay. So, but what do you guys think? Do you like Orgo or do you like Groot? Share your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye.